Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to cancel a Deepl Pro subscription. So as you use this application, you might notice that there is no need for the Pro version anymore and you want to stop the payments that you are going to do. First of all, if you are on the annual payments, then unfortunately you cannot stop unless you pay the full year package that you have chosen. Otherwise, for the monthly, you can cancel it whenever you want. So let's go with the cancel. So you can terminate a subscription purchased directly from Deepl in your Deepl account. To cancel your subscription, follow the steps below. First of all, log into your account. Under subscription, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click terminate subscription. So you need to go to your account and check your subscription. So once you do that, signing out of your Deepl account or deleting the Deepl app does not terminate your subscription. Terminate your subscription at least one day before your next scheduled payment to avoid being charged for the next billing period. You can see when the next payment is scheduled in your account under subscription. For subscriptions purchased throughout the App Store, you could literally just go to the App Store and cancel it from there. Same thing goes through the Deepl partners. Now, in case you had an add-on, if you have purchased an add-on, you can cancel it separately from your base subscription. The cancellation will go into effect at the end of your current billing period. So if you cancel your base subscription, the add-on will be cancelled along with it. So yeah, this is basically how you can cancel your subscription in Deepl. It shouldn't take much for you to actually do it. Simply just follow these few steps that I have just introduced to you in this video, which are basically written in an article made by Deepl Help Center. You can check it out yourself so later on and follow them and the subscription should be cancelled. Thank you guys a lot for watching. Make sure to leave us a like and subscribe and a beautiful comment, and see you guys in the next upcoming video.